finally made it. I better get inside before it gets dark. Place is old and worn out. Nothing strange so far. Cool art. Oh crap! George R.R. Martin, shouldn't you be finishing A Song of Ice and Fire? Interactive art. Hello? Are you interacting? False advertisement then. Pretty neat garden for something so abandoned. The tree looks dead, just like my love life. I probably need a key to get to the next level. I guess this leads to the toilet. Locked. Fountain. Cool wooden structure. I can climb, but I think it's not safe. This looks like a lecture hall. Or a dining hall for Vikings. Whoa, painting is staring back at me. It's making me blush. Fireplace. I better warm up before winter comes. Whoa, guess I found a headless priest and a nun. Graphics for signs suck. Let's look what's behind. Old school Christmas tree. Chicken coop, I think. Fountain. Oh, hello. The bathrooms here have wood. Probably leads to the underground level. Oh, hey dude. What's up? What does this say? Turbo graphics. I can't read. Vans. Must be for escaping. Can't access. They have lots of wood here. Better restore my health and mana and save my game on this fountain. Parties are for wussies. My camera's ghost detector is making a sound. This looks like a good place to enjoy the view and jump off. God, I don't like those swans. Awesome shrubberies. Neat. Oh, the graphics got better. Let's see. Don't care. Whoa, this looks metal. A switch. Can this trigger a trap? Traps? Are you triggering? Nothing then. Oh wow, the ghosts here are pretty straightforward. Here's that cool wooden structure again. There seems to be some kind of entrance. For ghosts who've died long ago, they sure know some foul language in English. Here's that entrance. That looks so metal. Going to the 3rd floor. And what's this? Looks like hippie art. Hey, a dream catcher. And another one. I might be dealing with Freddy here. No ghost baiting here. The ghosts here even know modern socio-political problems. Didn't know ghosts also needed electricity. Oh, switch! Does this trigger a trap? Nothing. Okay, let's go. Hey, looks like someone's a fan of tentacle porn. Whoa, an actual trap. Must be the tenants here. There seems to be a mirror here. Probably a portal to another world. I think I need to get Bruley before I can enter. That is one effed up Jollibee. This place has a lot of wood. Better go to the 3rd floor now. Hello, hippie art. A water tank. Must be thirsty being a ghost. Yeah, better follow that advice, or that cross will be put on my tombstone. Oh, stairs. This looks easy enough. Baby steps. Oof. So I'm on the topmost part. The view here is awesome. I think this should be the part where I meet the final boss. No, Ghost. I think I should go down now. Ooh, coin. I'm gonna make a wish. I wish for world peace. And another. I wish for more coins. Oh my gosh, my wish came true. I wish to marry Nancy. There, orange butter. Again, I wish to marry Nancy. Well, that was pretty much boring. Oh, hey, doggy! Hello, wait! Come back and love me!